Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To do this, first let's try to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being right here on top side of the phone. Next one is at the bottom right here. So that would actually already confirm that this device does have these stereo speakers, but we're gonna test it anyway. Now I'm gonna put the fingers under each of the speakers to see if the sound is coming from both of the sources. If it does, then that's the stereo speaker. Now clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.